Come on in and welcome to Duolingo. My name is Mark Pavic and I'm a marketing manager for the Duolingo English test team. And we're in the heart of East Liberty, one of Pittsburgh's coolest neighborhoods. There's a variety of outdoor spaces, restaurants, bars, and about 158 coffee shops. And right now we're in the Pittsburgh office, but we have a variety of offices around the globe. But let's check this one out. Duolingo was started by Luis von Ahn and Severin Hacker at Carnegie Mellon University right down the road. They had a vision to develop the best education in the world and make it universally available. That's Duolingo's mission, and it informs everything we do. Some amazing people work here. Kind, thoughtful humans who understand how powerful language and learning can be, and who are creating next-gen learning. Let's meet some of them.
I'm Charlotte Chen, and I'm a product designer.
I'm Basim Baig, and I'm a senior engineering manager.
I'm Gretchen Swecker, and I lead our technical program management office.
I'm Derek Geraldowski, and I'm an animator.
I'm Singyu Wang, and I'm a software engineer.
I'm Zaria Parvez, and I'm the social media manager.
Now you might be asking yourself, do I have to speak multiple languages to work here? Nope, not unless your specific role requires it. But many employees do speak multiple languages. It's easy to learn new languages when you're surrounded by employees from all around the globe. And the Duolingo app, of course. So what's it like to work here? Well, we have company-wide Q&A sessions with our CEO, Luis, where you can ask him just about anything. And our weekly business updates, that's called Parliament. And that's what a group of owls is called. Get it? Our meetings and conference rooms are color-coded and named for our world characters or for the languages that Duolingo teaches. We have a transparent working style, and as you can see, we all sit out in the open together. Even Luis, our CEO, sits here. We won't want to disturb him, as he's probably working.
Okay.
Let's keep moving. Duolingo encourages a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. We even offer a stipend if you walk, bike, or scooter to work. We've got a fully equipped gym and even a massage room. Okay. Well-being is really key. Every day, we have a communal chef's lunch with lots of inclusive options, and we even have special meals to mark key cultural moments. We've got tons of snacks and beverages available all day long. Mother rooms, and all gender restrooms. In short, Duolingo tries to anticipate everything you might need to make your workday better. And as important as our work is, and it is, play is important too. In addition to our game room, we have a lot of activities like sports club, craft nights, bagel club, movie nights, and even boba tea runs. And you can bring your dog to work. I get asked a lot of questions about Duolingo, but my absolute favorite is, will I get to meet Duo if I work here? Well, you just never know, but I will say, you better be careful what you wish for. All kidding aside, learning is in our DNA here at Duolingo, and we're all lifelong learners. And though we take our mission really seriously and work hard, we have fun along the way. It feels really good to make a difference because learning can and does change people's lives.